What's up, guys? Look, I got the motor put together, more or less. Still waiting on the head. Training's on, clutch on, all the downstar bolts on. Well, majority of them. Save on. Need to get the water pump kit. Oh, I think I can go put the pulley on. I think I got the pulley over there.
Yeah, you put that on already.
I think I got the
What
harness.
happened to the
The what?
fucking thing that goes back here? That oil thing that I was running?
I'll take it off.
You didn't paint it right now?
The oil cooler?
Yeah.
I took it off right there. I'm gonna put the sandwich plate that I have at home. Yeah, I'm gonna put a sandwich plate. I'm gonna delete that just so y'all know what we're talking about. The car had an oil cooler right here. It's a D series. I've never seen that before, so I have a sandwich plate at home. I'll just take this off, put the sandwich plate on, remove that, put that back how it goes, and run the feeds off the sandwich plate for the circle. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Besides that, oh, let me show you the engine bay. It's finally done. Now we're just waiting for it to clear. Look at this. It's like a blue gray. It still needs to get wet sand and clear. Look at the gist of it. Like real nice. Make sure we put that clear on there. Oh yeah. Sohc Bucket's first official paint job. Oh yeah, that came out real nice. I'll get the color for you guys soon. I don't really know what color it was for.